MCC Just Motos.
Hey guys, Andy from MCC Just Motos. I had my first modification done to my 2025 Street Glide Ultra. I'm pretty excited. Let me show you about it. I was going to install this myself, but Harley Davidson of Baltimore threw it in as part of the package deal to buy my Street Glide Ultra. To be fair, it's about a $68, I think, is what it costs from Harley Davidson. A genuine heel toe shifter. I'm going to tell you why I got it and why I like it, why I rock it, and just what it feels like to ride with it. So let's go check it out. You can see there's the heel toe shifter. It's about 68 bucks. I think that's what it costs on the Harley Davidson website. When I bought this motorcycle, again, Harley Davidson Baltimore threw it in. I was going to install it myself, but they did it on my 1,000-mile service, so thank you. Looks pretty simple. You can see there is the shaft that it goes through, and I think they leave enough room stock on this output shaft that you can put the heel shifter on and just slide it over and it works. I think it's a smaller spacer right there, and you put it on, that's it. Let me get on the bike and you can see what it's like. So here I am, and you see I'm rocking my felt Vans, and that's one of the best reasons why to get heel toe shifter is I'm not going to tell you how to ride your bike. If you want to ride in tennis shoe flip-flops, up to you. Today I'm rocking my Vans. They are felt toe area. If I don't want to mess my toe area up on my Vans, you will mess it up if you use the toe shifter portion, right? Eventually you're going to mess up your shoes. Using a heel shifter, you never have to touch the top part of your shoes, and it works really good. And I just think it's more comfortable. I think you can actually shift quicker with the heel shifter than you can with the toe shifter. This one, you just kind of have to move your heel back and forth a little bit, and you don't touch the top of your shoes. That's it. That's all it is. And I think it's really comfortable. $68, well worth it. Well, a great modification. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next episode.